games and masti. So good evening, everyone. I'm Brenda, and this is Charu, and we are the founders of BNC Miracle Method. We are very honored and very grateful for you all coming to listen to our talk. And no, I'm not going to say yes, and I'm not going to say no and goodbye. I'm going to give you some information more than that. What I want to do is I want to start about talk to you about emotions. Uh, so um, uh, can you post on the Zoom chat what emotions do you all face with? Like, what are your emotions? Do you know that you're going through? So basically, we are all emotional creatures, right? But we're born to basically express ourselves. So what happens is, from a very small age, we are told, don't show your anger, don't cry, men should not cry, you have to be brave, you have to be strong. We learn then to keep our emotions repressed into our system. So if we have anger, we are basically not going to show our anger. If we basically feel grief, we're not showing our grief. So we learn to basically repress our emotions because we don't want other people to judge us. And no, you don't need to take our notes. And thank you for Preeti for starting that. Yes, helplessness, anger. Thank you for sharing. So others, please share. It's just a group sharing, no judgment on anybody. So this is what happens. We all have our emotions, and what we do is we store it in our body. So if I'm very angry, I would store it in my liver. And then what happens when I store it in my liver? I basically have some issue with my liver. I have a fatty liver, or I have something. Or basically grief. I have grief, then I store it in my lungs. And then I will have coughs, colds, infections, and right down now, if you go to see like COVID, pneumonia affects our lungs, and then you can understand where that person is and what's happening with that person.
Yeah, so I'll give you another take on what Brenda said. So see, when you buy a new car, your dealer tells you that, okay, this is the plan. After 1,000 kilometers first service, then every 10,000 kilometers, there is servicing to be done. See, our body is exactly like that only, like a car. And what is miracle method for? I mean, why we are talking about miracle method in this talk? Because it's like, it helps you in doing the servicing of your body. For instance, what happens is we don't even know how to service our body. So if you keep using your car and don't take it for servicing, what will happen? Ultimately, what they call that carburetor mein kachra, that will start coming, and your car will start giving you jerks like that. So you start getting, the car will start giving you jerks. Exactly the same thing happens when you don't maintain your body. It doesn't happen overnight. Even with your car also, it doesn't happen overnight. You drive it for a few years, it's amazing. Even without servicing, without any maintenance, it's a smooth drive. You enjoy fast drive, slow drive. But after few years, then the jerk part starts happening. In the same way, your body, it knows how to cope up. So when it is brand new or when you are young, it's absolutely fine. It goes on the highway, slow drive, fast drive, whatever way you deal with it. You eat junk food, healthy, unhealthy, in whatever way you treat, you are able to cope up. But then after certain years, months, depending on your immunity, the jerk part starts showing up and you start having some aches, pains, or some sort of imbalance. And not only for health, guys, the same thing applies for relationships or money as well. See, every marriage starts with a honeymoon, but for some people it ends at a divorce. So why the honeymoon did not prolong throughout? Because again, speed breakers started coming in. And as Brenda pointed out, we start accumulating these emotions of conflict, of fights, of rejection, feeling rejected. All these things we start storing inside. And then your energy becomes heavier. And these emotions, they create the speed breakers. And that's where then there is turbulence, there is that honeymoon period gets over, and then the conflict period starts, whether it is relationship. Same way you can apply with the money also. You take up a job, you feel, oh, this is the ultimate job, but after a while, if you have money related problems, then the speed breaker part comes.
Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Brenda, and basically, I have been in alternative healing from the last 30 years. I started with Reiki, and that was in 1991. And that was my leap into spirituality. I was so fascinated by everything, and I was like just learning and learning and learning, and I am still studying as well. So I keep learning, and I have learned most methods. But in 2014, I met Charu. We both went to the same workshop, and as part of our study group, as part of the workshop, we had to do our study group. And so I used to meet once a week to actually study and do our submission. And that's when we realized that both Charu and me, we both realized that we had the same vision of instant manifestation, same mission to empower people. And slowly we developed, I think in 2016, 15, in 2015, we developed our method, and we did the first level, which was level 1, which is the BNC Miracle Method. And then we started teaching it. And I have got to say, not just because it is my method, it is by far the most go-to method, the most profound method, and the fastest method to change anything. We both say it is faster than a Panadol, and we can even give a demonstration where you can take a Panadol and we can do a session, and a quick, fast mini session, and you will see the results. And so we're very proud of our achievements. And what we would like to do today is share some case studies and some testimonials. We will do some demos, and we invite you on our journey with us. Charu can tell you about herself.
So, like Brenda, even I studied a lot of healing modalities, and when we both met, we both were passionate about instant result. Like, you do something and you see the result right now was the game that we wanted to play. And in this game, in this practice, when we used our knowledge collectively, we actually came across miracle method. We developed that. And so what is miracle method? So in miracle method, it's a very direct way of tapping into any person's energy field. It's not a touch therapy like other modalities. Some people, they touch, but this is not a touch therapy. You don't need to touch your client. Whether you sit in front of me or whether you sit in any country, the effect is same. It's not a meditative process. So anybody can learn it, because it's not a meditation, because meditation is not everybody's cup of tea. You need a little bit of alignment to do that. So what we developed is a set of charts. Are we going to show them? Yeah, sure. So we developed a set of chart where Brenda is just going to show you how the chart looks, and we use a pendulum as a tool. So yeah, so a chart. So the entire operation is done on this chart with a pendulum, and you are all we need to know is the name of a person, and we have developed a technique. I call it a technique because it's a process, a scientific process by which you can tap into any person's energy field. And like, if you give me your mobile number and if it belongs to you, every time I will dial, it will connect to you only. So in the same way with our technique, we developed a way of connecting to any person by knowing their name and tapping into their energy field and clearing those speed breakers, those emotions which are creating a challenge. So guys, life is all about being in the flow. So when you are not in the flow is where a trouble shows. So if it is in your physical body where the energy is not in the flow, then it will start showing up as an ailment, a pain, or something. If it is in terms of relationship, then you will have relationship issues. If it is in terms of money, beliefs, blocks related to money, then it starts showing in your career and work. So how do we go next? Shall we pick up right now?
No, actually, I just want to tell you, I'm seeing Nagesh's picture at the back. and it's got Sai Baba at the back. So do you want to tell like that that is that
Yeah.
because I really want to acknowledge that energy that is coming to our life as well. So
So I remember, like, both me and Brinda, we are Sai Baba's fan. And one time when we started, when Miracle Method was just born and we were still fine tuning it and we started seeing great results, I told Brinda one time that, you know what, why can't we create miracles like Sai Baba? Like, he used to just lift his hand and a gold chain would appear. He could manifest anything from nowhere. So I told Brinda that why can't we do like him? And believe me, like, in this whole game, I think we both got blessed by Sai Baba and we started creating miracles, which, like, we will be giving you demos as well. So yes, we got blessed and that's how the Miracle Method got created. So the vision was to create a result oriented technique, and that's what got created.
So what we would like to do is we'd like to do a few demos, maybe 2 or 3 demos. So those who have pain, could you just put it in the chat? What kind of pain you have? If it's chronic, how many years you have your pain from? And if you could rate it on a scale, 0 being no pain or 1 being
0 being no pain and 10 being maximum pain.
Yeah.
So the pain has to be right now, not that, okay, usually I have it, but at the moment it's not there. So all those who have pain right now, can you please post in the chat box? So write your pain point and evaluate it on a scale of 10. 0 means no pain and 10 means maximum pain. Now we're talking of pain. For demos, we like to take pain because pain is something that you feel right now. For other things, of course, we can do it, but not in the demo session. It can be addressed with Miracle Method very easily, but obviously not as a demo. Too many knee pains. Everybody has knee pain. Okay. Upper back also. Okay. Who are we starting with?
We'll start with Gul. Only reason because she said yes in the beginning to me.
Good. Can you?
So, Gul, can you come and speak to us? We would like to know more about your pain.
Yeah, exactly. It started around 10-15 days back.
Okay.
And I'm having only pain on my upper back, I'm not able to sit for a long time. So it's giving me like, I rated at 7, like, because now also I'm having that pain, So I have to sit sometimes on the chair, sometimes on the bed, I'm not like, and when I sleep, I'm okay. But when I get up, after some time, I start getting the pain again.
At the moment, it's hurting.
Yeah.
And where exactly is it? On the right shoulder blade or up? Or...
Now it's on mostly on the left side. Otherwise, it's on for full, upper back. It is mostly.
Okay, so right up here or in
yeah,
right.
Yeah, yeah, and yeah, till the middle one. Exactly, it's going to middle.
All right. Okay. So we'll do our magic.
So we are using a pendulum and a set of chart, and and just give us 2 minutes now.
Okay, dear. Okay, no problem.
Gul we have done, but generally it takes about 2 to 3 minutes for energy to integrate. So we'll just go to the next person and
Yeah, no problem.
We'll
No
come back
problem. No
to you
problem.
in a bit.
Yeah.
So
Thanks.
the next person I would like to work with is Jaya, just because Jaya put it first. She got in before all of you. So Jaya, you said back, hip and knee pain. So if you would like to talk to us.
Yes, hi. Thank you for doing this and introducing us to the new modalities. And it's really always overwhelming and at the same time, very, very, you feel grateful that you guys are out there doing this for us, you know, and showing us the path. So my hip pain is severe. Sometimes it's so bad that I am only 55, but I can't climb upstairs without holding onto a railing. And it does get very embarrassing that I can't do that. I can't walk. And it's like a vicious circle. So my weight is increasing. Yes, no reason, but I can't seem to do things that I want to do and, you know, perform exercises.
So how long have you been having this pain, the hip pain?
It has been very chronic for almost 4 or 5 years. And there are times when I am okay. There are times when it's really bad.
Okay, fine. So the pain is on 5, you said, right?
Right now it is on 5. It goes to 8, 9. So bad that sometimes I can't sleep also, you know.
Okay.
And it is my left hip. And because of that, now my right knee is getting affected.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll work on the hip pain. Because it's a chronic pain, you might not see that big difference, but let's give it a shot and see.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so Jai, we'll come back to you. It will take a few minutes to integrate, for the energy to integrate for a shift. In the meantime, we can speak to Gul. Gul?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better. Much
Awesome.
better. Relief is there, like, you know.
So
Thank you. Thank
on
you.
a scale, can you evaluate?
On the scale, I give you, I'm better, like little, only 1% is remaining, nothing more. I'm fine, feeling much fun, better.
Okay, cool.
So now your pain is on 1.
Yeah, one.
Awesome.
Almost going, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is so this is how our miracle method is. It's just like a little 5-minute and clearance, and we just work on the emotions. So we just work and clear the emotional aspect of what is happening in her life, and then change can happen.
So see, again, now she had upper shoulder back, upper back pain. So basically, again, as I told you, life is all about being in the flow. So the energy in this part of her body was not in the flow. And when it is not in the flow, it reflects as pain or some issue. So all we did was we cleared the emotion that was stuck there. Like, and all we needed was, I mean, she hasn't opened her video also. So all we needed was her name. We don't even know how she looks. Oh, pretty you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So
Thank
all
you.
we needed was her name to tap into her energy, and the whole operation was done on a chart with the pendulum. So we tapped into her energy field, did some dusting
Okay.
in the upper back.
I
We cleared some emotional dusting, and the effect is immediate, like, you know.
yeah. I understand. And dusting was required, I think so. That was the main thing, which all the dirt was lying. I think so. You cleared it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so
Thank
this
you
is
very
what
much.
we forget to do. We forget to service our body. We only service our cars, but we don't do servicing of our body.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, so that is what miracle method is all about. It is there to do the servicing also and the mechanical repairs also.
Okay. Thank you so much, both of you. Thank you.
Welcome. What about you, Jai?
Unmute yourself, please.
I don't know about the pain. It's still there, but I could definitely feel some throbbing happening in my left hip where the pain is. So I think there was something happening. There was like some kind of a blood flow was happening there. That's really remarkable that I felt, but I can't speak much for the pain as now. But yes, and also that portion has become quite warm.
Okay.
Okay.
So something
So
is
something is
happening.
healing. Yeah.
Something is happening, definitely.
It will show up
Definitely,
in
yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
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 Yeah,
Actually, it
but
has
it
already
was
shown up, but your mind is unable to comprehend because you have been with this pain for long. So
maybe,
take
but
a
yes,
sip of water. Take a sip of water and
okay.
wait for a couple of minutes, and you will understand.
Thank you so much.
So let us tell you a little bit about the BNC miracle method. So how it works, what we do, and so at least you can have a little understanding. We've given you demo, and we'll do some more demos. So stay with us, and we'll do some more demos, and we'll give you some more information. So we can tell you now how the method works.
So every time, so basically this was just a demo part, but when we do a full session, which takes around an hour's time to heal anybody, we do it in 4 steps. So the first step that we always do is we do an energetic checkup. So we check your auric field, again, everything on the chart, everything is done only by your name. We do a checkup where we check if your auric field is clean, if your energy field is clean, or there are some entities. So, and by entities, I mean the dark energies, which are part of our makeup. So when there are dark energies in your energy field, then basically they create a lot of havoc in your life. They basically bring you in a very low vibration. So to explain you this part of energy checkup, I will share one case study where one young boy had come to us. he was basically working for, he was a football player and was working for government here in Dubai. And he'd gone for some exhibition to represent his company to Pakistan. And there he had some food poisoning. So he thought maybe, he ate something not too good. So, and then within 2 days, he started having a lot of pain in his leg, unbearable pain. He freaked out. He did take medical attention, medicines and stuff, but he freaked out and he cut short his trip and he came back. When he came back, the pain did not go. He continued suffering with that pain. So finally, after a lot of medical stuff, he was diagnosed with neuropathy, which is like a nerve issue. And he met us after 6 months of this episode. So when he met us, he told all this happened 6 months back. I am diagnosed with neuropathy, and my life is like, he came on crutches, and he said that no football, nothing. His life is, he just barely manages to go to office, spends a day there, come back, and then he can't even sleep on the bed. He was sleeping on the couch. He was in terrible pain. And he took so many painkillers that his liver was getting affected now. So when we did this energy checkup, we found dark energies in his auric field, in his energy field. And when we did only the first step, he started feeling the shift in his, and he started feeling as if the pain itself is going. And we were halfway down the session. He was actually sitting, these were the times when the client used to come to us, not only on Zoom. So he started walking around, and after the end of the session, he took the crutches in his arm and he walked with the without crutches actually. So this is how bad this dark energy can be. It can create misdiagnosis, or it can create diagnosis, can actually create a neuropathy for you. So this is the first part that we always do, which is your energy checkup. Then the second part that we check is the willingness, how willing you are to let go of the issue that you have. So willingness is, again, this is not at conscious level, this is at a subconscious level. So I remember one time one client came and she was medically fit but was not able to conceive. And she was so desperate to have a child that, if I asked her to stand upside down or do whatever, she was willing to do, that much desperation. And she had gone for a lot of medical treatments. She had done some religious acts as well, but the conception hadn't happened. So when we checked her willingness to actually conceive, it showed only 10% willingness. So then we told her, hey, at a subconscious level, actually, you don't even want a child. And she said, how can it be? Like, she could not understand that. So when we raised that willingness and we did our session, only one session we did, and within a month, she conceived naturally without any IVF or any treatment, nothing. She conceived naturally only by raising the willingness part. So this is step 2 that we do in every session that we work on. The third part is, guys, the energetic surgery. We call it a surgery. So this is an energetic surgery. Brinda doesn't give any anesthesia to the client. No, we don't take you to any operation theater. Our operation theater is this only one chart and a pendulum. So no anesthesia, nothing, no steroids. And we do an energetic surgery where actually we dip into your energy field. And layer by layer, we check your cellular memory, we check what programs you are holding, we check your patterns, we check all the ancestral stuff that comes to you. So we do this energetic surgery in the step 3. And the last step is in our method, because what happened when, as we shared, that we learned so many modalities. But what used to bother both of us was like, okay, we have done a session now, how long it's going to take? Shall I wait for a day? Shall I wait for a week? Shall I wait for a month? So it was more like a blind game. So when we created Miracle Method, we put something where you can find out how long it's going to take for the results to show up. So it's not like a blind game that, okay, we have done like, ja bacha, maine tera session kar diya, Bhagwan tera bhala kare. No, it's not like that. It's like we tell you how long it's going to take for the energy to integrate or for the results to show up. We tell you that. And would you like to share your story about the coma, or should I tell them? Okay. So one time I remember, just to explain you this part, Brinda had a client. It was late evening. We both were sitting together, and she got a urgent session for somebody's uncle who was in coma for many days, and they were losing hope now because he hadn't come out. He was not responding at all to the medical treatment. So one of Brinda's client asked her to do an urgent session for her uncle. So she just told me, oh, I have this urgent session to do, and we just briefly discussed. And then she did her session. And I remember after she finished her session, she told me this uncle, because it showed that the energy to integrate was only 7-8 hours. So this was late evening. So Brinda told me early in the morning, this uncle is going to wake up, because the results to show up was only 7 hours. So, and we both laughed at this. And the very next morning, her client called that her uncle came out of coma that morning, the very next morning. So, this is how a session is done with BNC Miracle Method in 4 steps.
Rupal was asking, how do you see energy? So this basically is a non-intuitive. You don't have to be intuitive. You don't have to do meditation. You don't have to do all of these things that, you know, some modalities ask you to. All you need to do is your willingness to practice and to learn. So what we do is, as we said, we give you a chart. We give you a set of charts and a pendulum. And using this set of charts and the pendulum, you basically do a method. This method is very scientifically proven, and we actually give you the information scientifically as well. So even for guys, like there is, I think, one guy on this call. So even for their logical mind, you know, when people are logical, we have a lot of logical clients. So in that sense, you can understand how this is coming together, how it is to, you know, so it's all a very method, and it's a method that you repeat and repeat and repeat. So there is no need for, you know.
So the method is so simple that it's only asking 3 questions. That's it. That's the method is all about asking 3 questions. And that's where the when Brinda is saying that you repeat, she means it's a repetitive process. That's it. And it's so simple that even in Dubai, people have started sending their parents. So our oldest student, or the senior most student, is in late 70s. So people are learning, and it's a technique. So what do we mean by technique is, like, you know, like driving a car. So every time you put a key, you turn it on, you put the gear and you accelerate, and that's how the car runs. So that's the technique. Every time you do that and the car runs. It might be a bumpy start or a smooth start, but this is how a car would start. So in the same way, our method is you ask the same 3 questions every time, and so it's a technique and you get results. So this is how the method is.
So anyone can use our method. We have our oldest client as 86 years old, and our youngest client as 18, 20 years old. So anybody can learn on this method. So any questions from you guys?
Will you, this is Deepa here.
Hi, Deepa.
Will you show the method of that energy surgery as well when we learn?
Yes, you will learn it. You will learn to do it for you. So people are asking what can you heal with this, or what can you do with this? So we can do anything from health conditions. So be it BP, pain, coughs, cold, diabetes, stress, anything and everything, allergies, hives,
heart issues, kidney issue, liver issue, skin issue, anything and any health challenge can be addressed.
Yeah, so someone was saying throat pain and all, and so Nagesh is, yeah, I don't know you actually, and you have said that you basically experienced it. So so do you want to share how you've experienced it? And maybe I have not met you as well, so you probably have done it from one of our students.
Yeah, that's true. I'm Nagesh from Goa.
Hi.
Goa, India. Yeah, and I experienced it in the sense I have a friend called Sumega Shanbag.
Okay.
She did something on my mother. My mother had a bit of a problem with her knees because she fell down, something like that, and she could not walk. and she's quite old. So she did, and we share a common interest in spirituality and astrology. So we share a lot of things. And she happens to be a Kokani. We are both Kokani speaking people.
Okay.
So I told her about this, and she said, I will work on your mother. Don't worry about it. And she said, she worked on that, and she said, okay, fine, your mother is going to be good. And she was luckily good within 2-3 days. But she told me 17 days it will take, precisely 17 days it will take to solve that issue. And it was exactly 17 days. Probably on the 18th day, I realized that she is completely cured of that particular issue that she had with the knees. So I have experienced it that way. I have 2 questions in fact. Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead, ask.
Okay, there are only 2 questions. One is that, of course, I will not be able to, in fact, I've already written to you all. I will probably do some course with you all, but not at this point of time because of the financial crunches. There are 2 issues. One is that, is there a danger to, like, for example, I'm coming from a family of astrologers. So we have this habit of saying that if you do something, then the energies might come back to you. So is there a danger of that when you do pendulum healing with your method? There are 2 questions, of course. This is one.
So, okay, I'll answer this question. So basically the way we are doing is, so in many healing modalities, you enter into other person's energy field. But with this, as I told you, you are not entering into, you're not even touching, and you are not entering into any person's energy field. The way this process works is that you connect with your higher self, and your higher self connects with the client's higher self. So the healing is done at a higher self level. So you are only just playing with the pendulum the way we will teach you, and that's it. So it's like a very safe modality. You don't pick up anything when you work on any other person. Never ever.
Okay. The second question is, being an astrologer myself, coming from that line, is there a method where you can balance the planetary bad effects, good effects? I'm interested in that, in fact.
Very good. We actually, so basically, I call Charu and me alchemists. So an alchemist is basically, the very olden times where the alchemists would change metal to gold, right? And what I call us alchemists, in the way that we read and we actually convert whatever we read material into charts, and we make it easy for you to address. And I am a lover of astrology, so you touch my heart when you talk about astrology. And so I firmly believe that the planets are placed in a particular semblance, and they cannot be changed. So the time and the place and the date you're born, you cannot change. You can change anything. You can do plastic surgery, become man, woman, anything you can do. But these 3 things cannot be changed. And that's the beauty with our miracle method. We can negate the negative influences, all the things. So like as an astrologer, you would say, oh, this is coming in your life. So whatever the negatives are coming into a person's life, we take that, we tell people, go to astrologers, because I firmly believe that knowing is better than not knowing. So get the information, know, have an awareness, and then with the BNC miracle method, you clear it. And this is what it is. This is the magic that happens. Because see, when you go to an astrologer, you will get a little imprint. This will happen, that will happen. Once this imprint has happened, you create this, you create it for your life. But of course, the stars are aligned. So when you see it, you know it. But by doing a method to clear it, you actually have more possibilities and magic in your life. And this is the beauty of it. I'm so glad you asked me this question, because it's the most wow question asked. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for answering it. Thank you very much.
Any more questions?
Yeah, I would.
Yes,
Yeah,
Preeti,
I would like to know. Yeah, I would like to know how long does it take to learn this modality?
So basically, miracle method I teach in 15 minutes, but the whole class, the class is for 1 full day, like 6 hours, because we teach you, as Brenda said, we teach you very scientifically. So first we teach you the science behind it, miracle method, and then in 15-20 minutes I teach you the miracle method itself. And then we make you practice in the rest of the day, because by learning miracle method, you learn how to do a session on yourself or others. So we make you practice the whole day, so that by the end of the day, you are confident.
That sounds cool.
Yes.
If anyone else has any other questions?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Mamta here.
Hi, Mamta.
I would like to know, how does it help? I mean, how does it work for relationship or financial matters? I mean,
Yeah.
of course, physical pain you have demonstrated. How does it help in? How does it work on relationship and financial matters?
So whether it is physical pain, whether it is relationship, or whether it is a money issue, the cause is always emotion. The cause is
Okay.
always emotion. And that is what the method is. We will teach you how to tap into. So as I gave you the example, so if you have money related blocks, so definitely you have some fears, some poverty program, some fears related to money. So, and that fear again is an emotion. So, but it's connected to your money in this case. That's why you're feeling issues with money. If it is relationship, definitely you have some energy of conflict, or some turbulence related to, or some fear again related to relationship, or some emotion. Let me not use the word fear. Some emotion that is bringing your blocking your vibration and creating roadblocks in that particular area. So the cause is always emotional. So we teach you how to deal with that.
Okay, thank you. And
Yeah.
this course is, I mean, personal teaching, or it's again online only
Online
at
Zoom.
this stage?
The class happens on the Zoom call.
Okay, okay, thank you.
So let me put information about the
Hello,
class.
ma'am.
Yeah, Rupa.
Hi, ma'am. I'm Rupa here. I live in Pune. And I asked this question on the group also, that how do you see the energy around the person? I mean, it is a scientific method, you did say that.
No.
But how do you see the energy around the person?
Yeah, so see, let me tell you a little bit about myself and Brinda. So see, between both of us, Brinda is very clairvoyant. She can see your energy, but my TV doesn't work. So I cannot see energy. I am not that clairvoyant, but I'm a very logical minded person. So when we say that we tap into your energy field, only through the charts, we are able to tap into your energy field. So it's not a clairvoyant. You need not be intuitive clairvoyant to learn the method. If you are as ordinary as me, then also you can learn. If you are as special as her, then it's Sone pe suhaga, as they say.
So before we take on more, I'll share our screen and we'll give you information about our course. So our training program is as such. We have level 1, which is called the BNC Miracle Method. The topics that we will cover is what is energy. We will talk about the conscious mind, the subconscious mind. We'll teach you how the pendulum works. So we basically don't use the pendulum for yes and no, but we basically use the pendulum for healing. And in the class, you'll understand how the pendulum is used for healing, how we do our clearances and why you do it for that effect. We learn about time and how time plays a factor in your life. And we learn about limiting patterns and how the thoughts affect our subtle bodies. And of course, you'll get the 3-step miracle method technique. What can you do? Because obviously if I want to learn anything, I want to know what can I do. So basically, you can do sessions for yourself. You can do sessions for others. You can work on health, money, relationships, property, business, good grades, children's behavior, emotional aspects. So anything and everything under the sun, whatever you want to think of, you can do. Now, how's the course structured? The course is a Zoom call. It's 6 hours class. We generally divide our class because we found that people have easy way of learning when it's divided into 2 days. You will receive a pendulum and 5 charts, which are a miracle method chart, a past life chart, a present life chart, an emotional chart, a fear chart, and an ancestral belief pattern. It's also an IPHM certified course. So the IPHM means that's the International Practitioners Holistic Medicine, which then gives you the ability to practice anywhere and everywhere. It's a stamp of recognition that our course has covered certain norms and quality control. So it is of a high standard course. Just for today, we are giving the course at 22. The regular price is 40,000. And included in that, you will get benefits of 5 instant money manifestation groups. So our theme and our theory is that what you pay, you recover. And you get 5 group calls for parents, group healing. So we realize that our parents are very important to us, and as they age, they actually have their pains and their own imbalances in their body. And so what we do is we start working on, you can start working as a group, and the group's energy contributes to your parents' health. So you have a total benefit of a saving of 18,000 rupees. Then level 2, this is our most powerful method, and we highly encourage people to learn level 1 and level 2. Why level 2? Because level 2 is about negativity. And so you will learn all about the theory about negativity, and what you will be able to clear is curses, contracts, entities, psychic attacks, spirit possession, black magic, and so much more. If you do, again, this class is divided into 2 days, 6 hours, and you get 2 new charts. And again, it is IPHM certified. Again, so the course is now for 42,000 instead of 78,000. So there you get included with the bonuses of 10 money manifestation. So again, we make sure you recover your money, 5 group calls and 3 group calls, 5 group calls for health, and 3 group calls for, 5 group calls for parents and 3 group calls for health. So you have a total saving of 36,000. So if they are paid together, it is 42,000. And of course, you can learn level 1 itself. Level 1 itself is most empowering. If you feel you want to test the method and see whether it works, then you can learn level 1 as well on its own. So this is all about the method. These are our dates. I will post them in the group, and you can always contact us if you want more information. We have them on the weekends of 10th and 11th April, 17th and 18th, and then 8th and 9th of May, and 15th and 16th of May. They're generally in the morning, but anyone who would like to learn and would like a full day can contact us, and we can generally put a group together. And level 2 dates are at the end of April, 24th and 25th, and 22nd and 23rd of May. So these are our level 2 dates. And if anyone is interested in our healing sessions, we have lots of miracles, and we haven't even shared our miracles. We've been just doing demos. We have our general session cost is 12,000, but for today we are giving a special rate at 7.5, which is a 37% saving. 3 session cost. So anybody who has chronic issues, then you can do a 3 session at 36, where it is generally 36, but for today you can pay 18,000 rupees, a 50% saving, and a 5 sessions. So you can use this for yourself and family as well. And it's a special price for today is 25, so 1,000 rupees, which is a saving of 58,000. So it's a big discount we are giving you, because we really want people to learn our method. We would like you all to be empowered, and this is where we are coming from. So we always say better to learn, because obviously, this method is for you to learn and empower yourself. And we always have day-to-day stuff coming up, and you can use this for friends, family, and of course earn from that. We have many people who are level 1 and are doing as practitioner level and charging and taking students, paid clients. Yeah. So any questions now? I fried you all. So no questions? Yes, we can work on houses as well. We do a space clearance as well. You can work on space. You can work on lawsuits. We can do on relationship issues, working on land, selling your property, getting a buyer, renting.
So the pictures before and after.
Yeah.
So this is so basically this picture is of Brinda's maid, a house help, and she developed frozen shoulder. We have done many times. So she had frozen shoulder, And so that's why we were able to click the picture, because usually we don't take pictures of the client. But she developed frozen shoulder and she was unable to lift her hand. So this is after second session. This was her status, and after 3 sessions, she could lift it completely. So so we were able to do a before and after, but we have done it many times. Frozen shoulder. Then this is Bell's palsy. So this is before and this is after session picture. Again, it wasn't one session; it was multiple sessions, but. This again, we never met this guy. He sent a picture from this kid from India. Again, if you see this style, this girl was given many times and even antibiotic. This was not going. It was painful. She was crying a lot, and then the mother approached us, and this was overnight change after one session for this girl. So the next morning she was like quite good. So just to show you some before and after pictures of the work that was done with BNC Miracle Method. And what do we do?
We can do a group clearance for money, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do a group clearance for all of you all to have unexpected money within the next week. That sounds good. I mean, it looks like it doesn't sound good. Charu, let's leave now. No, nobody's so excited as me.
Nikki or push.
Nikki or push.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's the spirit. Yeah, now we see awesome. Yay. Okay. So.
So what I want you all to do is just lower down your barriers, maybe connect to Mother Earth and just allow the energy to flow and be open and receptive to, receiving a miracle. Maybe in your world, you all may not even think it can happen, like, oh, how's that going to happen? So let's put all our questions away and put them in a box and leave them out aside. And just for now, so all of you all in the group and anyone else watching it later, this energy is for everyone who'll watch it later as well. Unexpected money, and don't forget to acknowledge it and send us a that you are received. Yeah, or the flowers on the WhatsApp is fine. So just to let you know, is unexpected money can come as a form as someone giving you a gift, and that is unexpected. Someone paying for your course, someone taking you out for dinner, or treating you or buying you a gift. It doesn't necessarily have to be monetary. So I want you all also to have that awareness that unexpected money does not have to be, monetary, cash, yeah. So we'll take a few minutes and we'll connect with all of you all and do a group session for all of you.
Good, and all those who will watch it.
So we've done. Yeah. So I'm sure unexpected money would come up. I'm very happy for all of y'all, and you can see you're all so excited. All of your faces, whoever's showing the camera, is like your energy has changed as well. So yeah. So yeah, if there are no questions, then we can end the session. We can probably talk endlessly, but I'm very aware of your time. So I'm again, we're very in gratitude for all of you all showing up and listening to us and giving us this platform to speak. So thank you everyone and enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Such a
Thank you.
wonderful session.
Thank you.
Thank
you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.